It's a mandate of great responsibility, certainly is this. But Krishna Hegde, what does it do to your alliance? It's very clear now that in this, alliance of Mahayuti, the big brother has been decided by the people of Maharashtra, and as far as the younger brothers are concerned, it is the two deputy chief minister and his parties. But Eknath Shinde will be the deputy chief minister, will continue only as the deputy chief minister. His party will always be the party number 2 in Maharashtra now.
No, Big Brother was not decided. It is already obvious because they have got a cadre of around 8 crore in India, and they're the biggest party in the world. So we are not disputing that. We are only saying that, the Mahayuti is here to stay. What development we have given the people of Mumbai and Maharashtra, the people of Mumbai and Maharashtra have seen it. Unfortunately, the Congress has not seen it. Secondly, Matthew said that 2 billionaires, there are 350 startup and tech billionaires in India in the last 10 years. So we have to open your eyes. The Congress party has to open their eyes now and look at the absolute truth.
All right. Thank you for joining us. A big thank you to all the panelists. Let me go straight to Mumbai. That's where Ritvik is joining us live from. That's where all the action is happening. And in some time from now, the man of the moment, Devendra Fadnavis, is expected. So while we wait for the first reaction to come in from the central leadership of the party, the celebrations will be happening at the BJP headquarters in Mumbai any moment now. Ritvik, 3:30 is when Devendra Fadnavis arrives. What is the preparations like?
Absolutely. After 30 years of Thackeray's rule in BMC, finally BJP and Shinde Sena has managed a clean sweep in BMC polls, and what trends are suggesting, as we can see in BJP headquarters, Nariman Point in Mumbai, the office has turned completely saffron and the stage is already set, and even flags and flowers are being brought in so that they can welcome CM Devendra Fadnavis with huge celebrations. Also, State President Ravindra Chavan will be arriving, and all the MLAs of BJP MLAs of Mumbai will also be joining this huge celebrations. We can see the celebrations are almost done, and even Karyakartas, party workers and office bearers has started arriving here, and we could see that many of them are coming here from the celebration, from their wards. आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
मैं मुंबई से हूँ।
अच्छा, कैसा लग रहा है 30 साल के बाद ऐतिहासिक जीत बीजेपी की?
बहुत बड़ी ऐतिहासिक जीत है। ये हमारे देवा भाव का सारा कमाल है और हम को विश्वास था जनता जनार्दन पे। इतनी बड़ी ऐतिहासिक जीत के लिए सर्वप्रथम पहले जनता जनार्दन का मैं बहुत ही धन्यवाद, दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। और चप्पा चप्पा भाजपा ये हमारा नारा था, आज हमारे देवा भाव की वजह से ये हमने करके दिखाया।
जी, चप्पा चप्पा भाजपा का नारा तो था, लेकिन साथ में शिंदे सेना भी थी। मेयर किसका बनेगा?
मेयर हमारा ही बनेगा।
हमारा मतलब महायुति का, बीजेपी का?
महायुति का ही बनेगा,
बीजेपी का नहीं बनेगा। ज्यादा सीटें आपकी है,
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ही मेयर बनेगा।
चलिए बढ़िया। तो here we can see that now the party workers are also confident that after this clean sweep and huge numbers which BJP has managed to secure, they are claiming that the mayor of Mumbai, the most talked about thing during the BMC election campaign, the mayor will be of BJP.
Are you expecting some kind of show of strength of the two parties, Shinde Sena, or perhaps coming together of Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis also today? Another optics?
See, very interestingly, in Mumbai, if we look at the numbers which are visible right now, UBT Shiv Sena is at the second rank. So we need to wait if Eknath Shinde is all set to celebrate, because even he has to go to Thane, he has to go to Kalyan Dombivli, which is considered as his bastion. But in the evening, by 3:30 or 4 p.m., CM Devendra Fadnavis will be arriving at BJP headquarters, and just adjacent here, there's a Bala Saheb Bhavan, which is also a party headquarters of Shinde Sena. So Eknath Shinde right now he is in Thane. There's no official word from the party that he'll be coming to Mumbai any soon, but we'll need to see that will it happen together. Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, will they come together tonight, today evening, or maybe tomorrow?